Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best teen electronics is probably one of the most dynamic and exciting categories to explore, as today's youth are constantly seeking innovative gadgets that seamlessly blend cutting-edge technology with their unique lifestyle, whether for immersive gaming, vibrant creative expression, enhanced academic learning, or staying effortlessly connected with friends, making the right choice crucial for empowering their digital world and fostering their passions. Number 5. TAGRY X08 True Wireless Earbuds. See your power levels at a glance with the dual digital LED display on the case. It shows the charge for both the case and the earbuds, ensuring you're always aware. With the charging case, they offer an impressive 60 hours of total music playback. Charging is flexible, supporting both wireless and USB-C cable options. These headphones are also IPX5 waterproof, featuring a nano coating that protects them from water and sweat. This makes them perfect for sports and active lifestyles. Experience seamless one-step pairing. They connect to your device instantly upon opening the case after the first setup. Control your music, adjust volume, manage calls, and activate your voice assistant with simple touches on either earbud. No need to reach for your phone. Designed for comfort, their structure is based on extensive ear canal studies, and they come with 3 ear tip sizes for a perfect fit. These earbuds are incredibly small and light, making them convenient to carry and wear for extended periods. You'll barely notice them. Enjoy powerful bass, stunning treble, and clear mids thanks to their 13mm speakers and triple-layer diaphragms. They support both mono and twin stereo modes, allowing you to share your music experience. Each earbud includes a built-in microphone with CVC noise reduction for exceptionally clear phone calls. What we like. These earbuds offer an impressive 60 hours of total playback, ensuring your music never stops. They also support wireless charging and are IPX5 waterproof, making them incredibly versatile. If you're looking for long-lasting audio and robust features for daily use or workouts, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews found in the provided source. No reviews found in the provided source. Number 4. GlowCity Light Up Basketball. Enjoy endless fun with this amazing ball. It features 2 powerful lights, providing up to 30 hours of brilliant glow for all your nighttime games. Ready for action. This ball illuminates instantly with every bounce. It even conserves power by automatically shutting off when not in use. Designed for durability, it features a sturdy, water-resistant rubber exterior. This protects its internal lights, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor play. Getting started is simple. It includes instructions and pre-installed batteries, plus some extras. Just inflate it with a pump, and you're ready to hit the court. Looking for an unforgettable present? This makes an ideal gift for kids and teens alike. It brings excitement and fun to everyone, making it perfect for any occasion. What we like. This unique basketball illuminates from within, providing up to 30 hours of glow for nighttime fun. It's impact-activated and features a sturdy, water-resistant exterior for durability. If you love playing sports after dark or want a cool, active gift for teens, this will light up your game. What people say. Number 3. Memoking T02 Mini Sticker Printer. This compact device fits right in your palm, making it incredibly easy to carry anywhere. It comes with thermal paper, allowing you to print instantly, wherever you are. Forget about messy ink cartridges, this thermal printer works without any ink. It's compatible with various sticker papers, including white, color, and transparent options, giving you creative freedom. Transform your ideas with its advanced AI features. From photo cutouts and unique stickers to image blending and voice-to-image conversion, it makes printing fun and innovative. Students will find it indispensable for organizing notes, creating flashcards, and printing diagrams clearly. Its scan function helps capture and print essential study graphics with ease. Whether for personal memos, shopping lists, or professional labels and logos, this versatile tool handles it all. It's perfect for small businesses, home organization, and DIY projects. Connect effortlessly to your iOS or Android device via Bluetooth in seconds using the dedicated app. This app offers a variety of fonts, filters, and themes to personalize your prints. Looking for a unique present? This device is an ideal gift for all ages and occasions. It encourages creativity and helps document life's moments in a fun, interactive way. What we like. This mini thermal printer is a creative powerhouse, featuring an AI sticker maker for unique designs. It's portable, inkless, and connects wirelessly to your smartphone for instant prints. If you're a student needing to print study notes, or someone who loves journaling and DIY crafts, this device sparks endless creativity. What people say. Number 2. VEIKK A30V2 Drawing Tablet. This tablet features a unique touchpad with customizable keys and a gesture pad. It offers a modern, intuitive experience for artists and designers, ensuring stable and responsive performance for all your digital creations. Achieve natural, precise strokes with its 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, ensuring smoother lines and lifelike details. The included battery-free stylus eliminates interruptions, allowing endless drawing sessions without charging. Designed for various creative tasks like drawing, graphic design, and online teaching, it works flawlessly across Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Linux. It supports top programs such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and Clip Studio. Unlock expansive creativity on its ultra-large 10x6-inch active area, ideal for detailed work. The reversible Type-C port ensures quick, stable connections, and its ambidextrous design suits all users for ultimate comfort. Get everything you need right out of the box, including essential accessories. It's backed by a 1-year warranty, top-rated customer service, and lifetime free driver updates, supporting your artistic journey without extra costs. What we like. This drawing tablet boasts an innovative touchpad and 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity for precise control. Its battery-free pen ensures uninterrupted creative flow, compatible with various devices and software. If you're an aspiring artist or student looking for a professional-grade tool with intuitive controls, this offers exceptional value. What people say. Number 1. Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. Discover the magic of learning with this award-winning kit. It combines physical play with digital interaction, bringing your child's actions to life on screen. Your child interacts with real handheld pieces and a Fire tablet. This unique system brings their game pieces and actions to life, and no Wi-Fi is needed for gameplay. With the included sticks and rings, they can create shapes and colors, building their imagination. It also helps them practice counting as they construct a town of numbers and friendly animals. This kit teaches letter formation and phonics with over 300 words. Children can also create images in 5 playgrounds, watching them come to life on screen. Using costume pieces, they can experiment with clothes and colors to make party outfits, seeing characters react. They'll also solve creative stories and navigate adventures, finding silly solutions. This kit helps children get kinder-ready by developing early math skills like number recognition and shapes. It also fosters early reading through letter formation and phonics. Designed for children aged 3 to 5 and up, this set offers a stress-free learning environment. Real-time audio and visual feedback allows them to learn through playful experimentation. What we like. This kit transforms screen time into engaging learning with 6 educational games for young children. It combines physical play with digital interaction, fostering essential early math and reading skills. If you have preschoolers aged 3 to 5 and want to provide a fun, interactive way to develop STEM and literacy skills, this is a magical learning tool. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source JSON is empty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.